Here's what you need to know about SteamRip before using it. SteamRip is not affiliated with Steam or any official game store. It distributes cracked game files that bypass digital rights management, which is piracy and illegal in most countries. Reviews are very mixed. Some users report downloading games without issues, while others report malware infections and security alerts. Independent security analyses flag the platform as high risk because downloads come from unverified third-party hosts with no way to verify what is inside the files. You could pick up spyware, ransomware, or tracking scripts, and some malware does not appear immediately. It can hide for days. Ad blockers and VPNs reduce some risk, but do not make the platform safe. Bottom line, SteamRip is a real site, but the security risks and legal concerns make it not worth using. Stick to official game stores to protect your device and accounts. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.